On Bailey, we're gonna give her a beautiful high ponytail, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's so easy. First, we're gonna start off by sectioning out where her bangs are. Now, everything else we're going to take up to a high pony. Now I'm going to use Redken Forceful 23 to give me hold when I bring up that ponytail. A hot tip for you though, I'm going to spray it right into my finishing brush. This makes sure I get all those little baby hairs. So now I'm going to take my KB elastic, and if you noticed, I put 2 bobby pins on there. This is gonna give me extra security when I wrap this ponytail. I'm actually gonna take the bobby pin and insert it around her hair, holding it down with my hand. With that elastic, it really pops up the ponytail. So now, I'm just gonna take small sections, giving a little bit of back combing, just to give it even more volume. Didn't forget about this front piece. We're actually going to use this part to hide this elastic. All I'm doing is brushing it straight back, just right where the elastic is, and I'm gonna take 2 of these pink pewter hair clips, and I'm just gonna slide them to hold them in spot. There you have it, super cute high ponytail. What do you think?
I love it.
Yay!